Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a dump truck. First, draw 2 circles for the wheels and connect them, and draw another lines at the other side of the wheel. Let's start building the front of the dump truck. Just like this, that's the front or the cab. Let's draw the bottom part, and then let's draw the dump box diagonal and then connect them to the bottom, and that's the just straight lines to the right. That's the top of the dump box. Then go diagonally down to the right, then down to the left. Now let's draw the detail. Just like a parallelogram, make 3 of them. Now draw the window of the cab. Oops, we forgot the side mirror. Just draw the side mirror, or you can draw the side mirror first, then the window. Little rectangle for the panel and also front light. Then draw little circles inside the wheels and the backlight. Then let's draw the dirt. And now it's done. We are ready to color. I'm coloring my dump truck yellow, red and orange. For the box, it's yellow and orange, while the cab is red, the light is yellow, the window is light blue, and of course later on we're gonna put some detail on the window, the diagonal lines. Just watch until the end of this video so you can see how I color the dump truck. Color the dirt light brown and bold the lines in dark brown, while for the wheels we use gray and black. And now it's finally done. It's very nice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.